Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today with this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Spotify playlist picture. So for that, first thing you need to do is open the Spotify application, tap open the Spotify, and then you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on your library from the bottom menu. Tap that. So once you're at the Your Library section, you need to tap on the playlist to which you want to change the playlist picture to. So I'm going to tap upon the playlist one of mine, tap that. So this is the picture that is currently saved in my playlist. So once you're at this page, what you need to do is tap on the dotted lines at the left side of your screen, tap that. Here you will have all this option, and from that you need to tap on edit playlist, tap on it. Once you're at this page, you will be able to change the playlist name and the image. So for the image, you need to tap on change image option just below that image that is currently your playlist picture. Tap that change image option. It will give you two options. Take photo, choose photo. You can take a photo right away to upload it as your playlist picture, or you can upload it from your phone gallery. Tap on choose photo. This will direct you to the phone gallery of your mobile device, where you will be able to choose the picture that you want to upload for your Spotify playlist. Just tap upon a picture. This will be the playlist picture. Tap on use photo, and you can see the changes. Now you need to save the changes that you have just made. For that, tap on save on the top right, tap on it. This will save all the changes that you have just currently made. And with that, the playlist one picture has been changed. This is how you can easily change Spotify playlist picture. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.